G'day everyone. Here we have a DDR3 board. Well, what can I say? iCafe. Yeah, had some good stuff on it. Pretty quick for what it was. Had it for a few years. So all of a sudden, just randomly, it just decided it wanted to just turn off and try to turn it back on, and then having issues with the screen not coming on. We did everything we could to the BIOS. We flashed everything again, and look, just gone over it and over it. Gave it a rough clean. Still wasn't seeming to be good enough, so I thought, oh well, look, I'm not going to lose anything from this. I've taken all the good bits off it, and I thought, well, what I'll do, just for a gag, I'm going to chuck it in the dishwasher. And then, after I've done that, I'm going to dry it out, and then I'm going to like air gun out everything out of it and make sure it's really, really dry, of course. Get all the moisture and that out of it, and then I'm going to put it all back together and see what it does. Oh well, here we go. It's a big moment. See what it does. You got to have a lemon fresh cleaner in there just to see how it's got to do the job right. It's got to be clean, that You can't be going half cocked about this thing. All right, here we go. 11 minutes, or should we go for the 146? I know, 8 minutes. Nah, we'll go for 125. 125, yeah. Okay. We're up to about what? So what? 125 or something before? It says what, about another hour, is it? Maybe we should have a quick sneak and have a look. Oh, hot and steamy in there. This might wake it up. Probably needs a good wash. Oh, nice and lemon fresh. Wow, it even looks brand new. I'll turn it over. In case it can't have it, get missing anything now, can we? Here we go. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh, it's looking pretty squeaky clean. Oh, some steam. Yeah, this thing looks like brand new. Wow. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Looks like brand new. That's way cleaner. It's nice and warm too. If it dries out quick. Oh, here's a bit of water in there. Oh, we'll see what happens. We'll dry it out. I'll make sure it's